Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Sanders is probably one of the most essential tools in any woodworker's arsenal, transforming rough lumber into smooth, ready-to-finish surfaces with remarkable efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned professional tackling large projects or a DIY enthusiast embarking on your first woodworking adventure, the right sander can dramatically elevate the quality of your work, save you countless hours of manual labor, and ensure a flawless final product that you can be proud of. Choosing the perfect sander involves understanding the nuances of different types and their specific applications, ensuring you have the power and precision needed for every task. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER DEM 600 Detail Sander. Tackle any sanding task with this powerful tool. Its 1.2 amp motor delivers 16,000 orbits per minute for efficient material removal. Experience enhanced control and reduced fatigue. The ergonomically designed comfort grip makes extended use more comfortable. Reach those cramped corners and tight spaces with ease. Its compact design is perfect for detailed and precise work. Never worry about running out of power. The corded design provides unlimited runtime and continuous power for any job. Get into hard-to-reach spots and awkward angles with specialized attachments. Achieve a perfect finish every time. Keep your workspace clean and tidy. The high-performance dust collection system captures sawdust and debris effectively. This tool is built to last. A dust-sealed switch helps protect internal mechanisms, ensuring improved durability. What we like. This tool excels in tight spaces with its compact design and specialized finger attachment. If you're tackling intricate projects or need to reach awkward corners, its maneuverability makes it a top choice. Its comfortable grip also ensures you can work for longer periods without fatigue. What people say. The tool is very lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The dust collection system is surprisingly effective, capturing most of the sawdust and keeping the work area clean. It offers multiple speed settings, allowing for precise control over the sanding process for different materials. Number 4. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit, your all-in-one solution for detailed DIY projects. It's like having a versatile toolbox that fits right in your hand. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily control the power for any task, from delicate sanding to precise engraving. This makes it perfect for beginners and intricate work. Designed to be compact and lightweight, it offers exceptional control and comfort, feeling as natural to hold as a pen. Enjoy extended creativity with its long-lasting rechargeable battery, providing up to 200 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. It's always ready when inspiration strikes. The integrated LED light illuminates your workspace, reducing shadows and ensuring precision even in dimly lit areas. Work with confidence and clarity. This makes an excellent gift for any DIY enthusiast or a fun project to share with your children. Create lasting memories and unique crafts together. What we like. With its versatile 5 speed settings and a comprehensive kit of 69 accessories, this tool is perfect for a wide range of fine DIY tasks. If you're a beginner or a hobbyist looking for an all-in-one solution for sanding, polishing, and engraving, its user-friendly nature and extensive capabilities make it an excellent starting point. What people say. The sanding tool is very effective for smoothing rough wood surfaces. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, catering to different wood types and finishes. Number 3. Warner 2 to 1/4 inches. W, X 4 to 1/2 inches. L, sanding block. Introducing a high-quality sanding block, perfect for your projects. Its robust construction ensures longevity and effective use. This tool is designed for ease of handling. Its compact size makes it ideal for detailed work and comfortable grip. Achieve smooth finishes with this efficient sanding block. It's built to provide consistent results every time. Crafted with care, this sanding block offers reliable performance. It's a dependable addition to your toolkit. Whether for professional use or DIY, this sanding block is a practical choice. Get the job done right with this essential tool. What we like. This is a straightforward, no-frills manual sanding block. If you prefer a tactile approach to sanding or need a simple, reliable tool for basic surface preparation without any power requirements, this is the most accessible option. It's ideal for small touch-ups or when you want complete control over the sanding pressure. What people say. The sanding tool is very effective for smoothing wood surfaces. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, catering to different wood types and sanding needs. Number 2. 16301 Electric Detailing Palm Sander. Introducing the WEN6301 Electric Detailing Palm Sander. Its unique angled tip and 3.75 by 5.5 inch pad are designed for intricate detail work. Don't let its size fool you. This tool packs a powerful 1 amp motor, delivering an impressive 13,500 orbits per minute for efficient sanding. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, it offers a lightweight design for comfortable handling during extended use, reducing fatigue. Keep your workspace tidy with the integrated dust collection port. It effectively minimizes airborne sawdust for a cleaner environment. Changing sandpaper is a breeze thanks to the convenient Velcro base pad. Installation and removal are quick and simple. What we like. Its angled tip and lightweight design make it exceptionally good for precision work in corners and edges. If you're looking for a power sander that offers excellent control and ease of use for detailed tasks, this palm sander is a great option. The Velcro pad also ensures quick sandpaper changes. What people say. The sanding tool has a powerful motor that makes sanding large areas quick and efficient. It features an ergonomic design with a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, suitable for various sanding tasks from rough to fine finishing. Number 1. HYCHIKA Detail Sander. Experience efficient polishing and rust removal with this powerful tool. Its high orbit speed makes quick work of metal and plastic in tight corners. Get started right away with 12 included sandpaper sheets in coarse, medium, and fine grits. The hook and loop system ensures quick and easy changes for any woodworking task. Keep your workspace tidy with its efficient dust collection system and included dust bag. It effectively captures sawdust, ensuring a cleaner environment. Its compact size and ergonomic design allow you to easily access and perfect edges and corners. This tool is ideal for detailed interior work. This package includes the detail sander, 12 sandpaper sheets, a dust bag, and a manual. You'll have everything you need to get started on your projects. What we like. This sander offers a highly efficient dust collection system and an ergonomic design for comfortable use in tight spaces. If you prioritize a clean workspace and need a tool that handles detail work effectively, especially for home decoration tasks like removing paint or rust, this is a strong contender. The included sandpapers mean you can start working right away. What people say. The sanding tool has a comfortable grip that allows for extended use without fatigue. Its variable speed control is excellent for achieving a smooth finish on different types of wood. The dust collection system is surprisingly effective, keeping the work area clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.